Hi everyone, welcome to the third video of the Algo trading playlist. So in this video I will show you how to extract using MT5 this wall list in one time. So in order for you to follow correctly the video, I decided to upload a summary of this code on my GitHub account. So you just have to copy and paste, and you just don't have to pause the video each and every time I'm writing something. So yeah, a link will be provided in the description below. Now let's start. In the last video, we saw how to connect our Python script with MT5. So here we're already logged in. So we just have to use MT5.initialize. Here I have a list of 6 assets, 4 assets related to Forex and 2 indexes. Here I have the time frame. I decided to extract the hourly data. And then here I want to extract the 50,000 last data that are present on the market. If I wanted to, like, for instance, extract 15 minutes data with a time frame of 15 minutes, it's okay. We can just do this, for instance. Here, this is a function to convert the NP array that MT5 will give us into a data frame with time as an index instead of the just index 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. But if you already watched the last video, you probably already know it. So here, if I do this, as you will see, I will get an error. I will get none. Why this? Because MT5 doesn't know how to extract a list, the data of a list. So what we will do is that we will first delete the print, we will indent this, and we will write a for loop. So for sim or whatever in symbols, you ask MT5 to download the symbol. So you replace symbols by sim. And then just before, you write data equals weird brackets. I don't know how to call them. This is to create a dictionary. And this is where we will stock our values, our data. So the first thing we want to do is to check if the symbols we want to download are real or not, because maybe we can be wrong in the way we write them. For instance, here US Tech is for NASDAQ, so it's not like intuitive. So maybe we can be wrong if we don't check before. So we will create a if statement. So if not, MT5.symbol select, and then sim, not symbol, sim. We will raise a value error equals to, I don't know, unknown symbol, let's say. So it means that I will show you here, EU USD doesn't exist. So if I run this, I will get the error. You see here, value error. And yeah, this is like more clean. So now I will correct this. Yeah, perfect. If the symbol is okay, we will download the symbol in the variable data1. Then we are going to apply the function we saw before. So 2df here. So data1, data, let's call this data clean, for instance, equals 2df data1. And then to finish with, we will say data, so the dictionary, and we will append this dictionary with the name of the symbol and the data frame associated with this. So data clean. And then we can also, of course, put this as an argument of TQDM, as we saw before, like to have a track of the download process. And so here, if I print the dictionary, you will see that I will have everything. So here is the TQDM progress bar. And so yes, this is how you can download the wall list. Now, if you want to print or just to use particular list, you can just a particular data frame. So you can just call the data frame, let's say USD, and here you will just have the data frame corresponding to USD. And here you can also manipulate this by adding another square bracket and putting, for instance, just close. So if you want the closing price of area USD, you can just do this and you will have just the closing price. We don't really care about printing this, but I will show you something that you shouldn't do. So you would probably ask yourself why I'm showing you this, but the thing is, you have to take more precaution than what I will show you. So you can create, for instance, spread equals the spread between EUR/USD and EUR/GBP. So this minus this. But why I'm telling you that this is bad to do it like this, because I haven't checked that the indexes are the same, and maybe they can differ, like even just an error on MT5, like a candle that disappear or something. Sometimes it happens. It's kind of rare, but still it happens. So if I do this, for instance, I just print here. I do this. I'm printed, sorry, the spread between EUR/USD, the absolute spread, and EUR/GBP. So as I said, be really cautious with this. We will in another video talk about how to create features based on this, so we will show this kind of things. So yeah, I haven't put this on my GitHub file, but I just wanted to show you why it was kind of cool to put the whole downloads into one dictionary and how we can manipulate it a bit after. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and to look at the next video of the playlist. I'm saying you bye-bye and thank you for watching.